Kenya is a country with diverse and beautiful wildlife. The Lilac Breasted Roller represents this to the fullest. The Lilac Breasted Roller is the official national bird of Kenya. These colorful and exciting birds are found either alone or in pairs, perched up on power lines in the city or on the highest branch of a tree, hoping to spot a lizard or small prey. Its distinctive blue wings and acrobatic flying style make it a favorite of photographers and birdwatchers alike. The Lilac Breasted Roller is my favorite bird.